Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting your devices talking. Enable USB debugging or web inspector on the phone, then plug into your computer or join the same Wi-Fi. Open Chrome or Firefox on desktop and enable remote debugging or the appropriate extension. Once done, accept the trust prompt on the phone so the desktop can access it. You're establishing a live link so you can inspect mobile DOM and network activity. This is faster and more reliable than guessing on the device alone. Now open Remote Dev Tools on your desktop. In Chrome, go to More Tools, right arrow Remote Devices, or navigate to About. Inspect in Chromium browsers. You'll see the connected phone and its open pages. Select the tab you want to inspect. Use the Elements panel to edit HTML/CSS Live, Console to run JavaScript snippets, and Network to watch requests and responses. Make changes and observe the phone in real time. This lets you diagnose layout bugs, test CSS tweaks. To finish, apply the fixes you tested and copy updated snippets back into your project files or commit them. Make sure to take screenshots or save network HAR files if you need records. If the device disconnects, re-enable USB debugging, swap the cable, or use the browser's Wi-Fi pairing option. Check the phone's trust prompt. If nothing helps, restart the browser and phone, update drivers or the browser version, and reconnect. This resolves most stubborn connection or detection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.